Hi, in front of me is Nokia 8.3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing iOS Launcher in the search bar. Then download this app from this developer. Open it. Tap Allow and click Home button. Choose iOS Launcher by clicking on it and pick Once or Always. Then click Got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!